Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be going over Chanel's 25p collection. The fact that we're at 25p, I feel like we just did 24p. I will link 24p's review right up here. But you guys know I like to go through the Chanel collections, let you know what I feel. Before we jump into it, I have to do the obligatory disclaimer. Okay. Whatever I'm about to say is just my opinions. I know I like to shit on these collections kind of a lot. That's probably going to happen. I haven't seen anything from the collection so far, but I'm just going to assume I'm going to shit on something that you like. Probably. It's not a direct attack on you, okay? I promise that we can still be cool if I don't like something that you like. I promise. But if you guys want to know what I think about the Chanel 25p, I almost said 24p, 25p collection, then please just keep on watching. But wait, you already know what I'm say. If you're not already subscribed, join yourself. I post on Wednesdays and on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I feel like you're going to be here when I do. You like luxury, you like handbags, you like fashion. You like Chanel's pre-collections. I feel like this is definitely where we're going to be, so subscribe if you're not already.
My ring just fell off my hand.
And you should follow me over on Instagram if you're not already. It's just Kate Danger. I post every single day over there. Every day is a reel, outfit of the day, something on stories. It's a lot, okay? We post a lot over there, so you should follow me over there if you're not already. And with all that out of the way, let's jump into the video. So starting off, we have a mini flat bag. I was actually hearing some rumors that the mini rectangle from Chanel is just being completely discontinued and they're kind of replacing it with a slightly different version. I don't know if that's accurate. I don't know if this is the bag. It has kind of like a top handle chain, kind of like the 19, right? You get what I'm saying. I don't like this color, like at all. These kind of pinky, salmony colors are quite literally my least favorite kind of colors. You know what? This isn't caviar. This is not a bad pick. And it has a nice thick back pocket, not like the Mona Lisa back pocket usually does. Honestly, if this bag comes in another color, which I don't really see here, but if it did, I would be in because this color sucks. But another color, here's a Pearl Crush mini. Is it Pearl Crush? I'm just kidding. It's not Pearl Crush. Don't know what I'm doing, but that's just a regular schmegular mini. It has like a very special chain, I guess. I don't like this one like nearly as much as the previous one. Another mini top handle situation. I don't like this at all. I don't like that long strap that it has. I don't like it at all. I don't even like the top handle that it has. I just don't like it. And $6,100 like for this bag is not it. Ooh, a black and white. I like a black and white. I'm not really like super into multicolor bags. Like I like my bags to be a color, but a black and white I can always get behind. It looks kind of like a mini rectangle, but it's slightly different because obviously it has that black edging and then it has an enamel CC also in black. I don't hate this one either. $5,600. I don't hate it. It looks like they have a square variation of this, but this one has, does this have 4 grommets? Does the other one have 4 grommets? Why does the other one look like, no, the other one only has 2 grommets. The square one, for some reason, has 4 grommets. That's a choice. I don't like the square as much as I would like the rectangle, personally. I do like the black with the white trim and the white with the black trim. I have like no preference really. Small flat bag with top handle. I don't like this bag at all. This looks weird as hell. Like, why does this look like that? You know what this looks like? This looks like the 2424 from Hermes. Right? And I'm like 50-50 on that bag. Like sometimes I think it looks really cute. Sometimes I'm like, eh. This is a worse executed version in my opinion. So I just really don't like it. Of course, we got to have some tweed. So this is a classic flap, which they're calling the 1112. I don't know. Is that a medium? Is that what that means? This is not the worst tweed that Chanel's ever done. It's not my favorite either. Like it looks like birthday cake is what it looks like. Not something that I particularly want to spend $10,600 on, but you know, if you wanted to, there it is. Another tweed bag. I feel like they did a very similar tweed to this one in a previous season. I like this tweed better than the previous tweed. It also reminds me of like confetti or something like that. But again, not something that I really need in my life, you know? This is actually kind of cool, okay? Don't be mad at me. I think this is cool. I love this yellow color. Like I already said, it's very limoncello, like spring vibes, obviously, which would make sense for this collection. And I love the perforated CCs just like all over it. I do really like this. I'm not going to be purchasing any Chanel 22s anytime soon. That's just not my vibe. It's not where I'm going in life. But I feel like the variations that they've been coming out with recently they've been kind of cute. They've been kind of cute. You cannot lie to me. This is the mini in white with the perforated CCs. I like it. I do like it. I like the bigger one more with the perforated CCs specifically, to be honest. Is that a detachable strap? When did they do this? I did not know that they were doing this, and I kind of love that. I've always liked the Mini 22. You guys know I used to have a Mini 22. I'll link the unboxing up here. I did really like it, but this version with the removable strap and the magnetic closure is like amazing. I also have a review where I talk about the Mini 22 and why it was annoying to me, so I'll also link that up here. But this fixes like half of my issues with it. So okay, another large Hobo bag. This is so ugly. This is so ugly. I try not to use words like ugly, but damn, this is ugly. Like, what is even that? No. Okay, low-key, that's cute. Low-key, I like this. This is expensive for what it is. $6,100 for this is like a freaking lot. But why do I love it? I love the pearls. I love how it opens. I love the turn lock. I love everything about this. If that strap is removable, which it doesn't look like it is, like detachable, this would have been like the best evening bag ever, but it doesn't look like it is. But still, I think I could still see this being used as like an evening bag. Look how cute it is. I like it a lot, actually. Small shopping bag. Oh, hell no. So much no. Like, you don't even understand how much no. Is that like a snap closure? Can you imagine trying to close this bag with little snaps? These two little snaps. Like when you're, come on. This looks flimsy. This looks cheap as hell. No. I like the 31. You guys know I like the 31. I've mentioned that in a couple of videos already. And this, what is this, suede? You know, suede is like it right now. I feel like brown suede is more it. Like, should have done brown suede. But okay, black suede. Black suede it is. Whatever. It's cool. It's cool with me. Of course, it's price upon request. This looks very similar to one that I liked in a previous season. I do like this. Obviously, I liked the one from the previous season. So why would I like this? The same shit. But, you know, price upon request. Just no. Oh, and they have it in white. Oh, this one's better. This one's definitely better. Oh, stop it. Stop it. Is this one even better? Is this sequin? It is. $6,800 is not price upon request, guys. Okay. If you have the option, if you have the choice or the chance, I should say, to get this, I would do that. I would do that because this is cute. And for like any evening, this is beautiful. And not even just for evening. Like, if you want to go to the mall, like, do it. We got mini bag with top handle. No, this looks like the one that looks like 2424 from Hermes, but it's just like elongated. It's like an east-west situation. I'm going to have to go ahead and say no. I like this color. I used to have a mini top handle, like a regular mini top handle in this color. And I like it, but this shape of bag is just not doing what it needs to do for me. And we have the same bag, but in like a bigger version. I think this is the same version we saw before. I still don't like it. It's in white now. I don't like it in white. I don't like it in pink. I don't like it in gray. I don't like it. I feel like the guy in Green Eggs and Ham. He's like,
I do not like it on a boat. I do not like it with a goat.
can you tell I have kids? I don't think so. Another mini flat bag. This one is in that same gray color. I feel like this is trying to give Chanel Diana vibes, like the vintage Chanel Diana, but they tried to make it cute by giving it a little angular situation, tried to modernize it a little bit, maybe thinking that people are going to be like obsessed with this the way that they were for the Diana. It's just not gonna happen, okay? Like, stop trying to make fetch happen. Although I will say I do appreciate that back pocket. The back pocket that they give on the Chanel Classic flap is awful. It does nothing for anybody. It cannot hold anything, not even my patients. So I don't know what the point of that is. Like, nobody's gonna stretch that out to try to add something in there, right? That's just not what's gonna happen. This, I feel like, takes up the entirety of the back and gives you a little bit more room. So I do appreciate that. I hope they start doing that on more bags. But it don't matter because this bag is ugly. This is a bum bag and I don't like it. Is it a pearl crush? It looks kind of pearl crushy, right? Like it has that extra little dangling situation there. I just feel like bum bags are just, they're not really as popular as they used to be. Like they had a real moment. Even for me, they had a real moment and now they're just like, who wears bum bags? I mean, if you wear a bum bag, if you love a bum bag, like keep doing that. Please do. Please do. But I don't know. This is just not my favorite one. Okay. So here's the thing. Okay. Vanity cases are still very much a trend that everybody is really into, but not like this. Like it's supposed to be the other kind of vanity case, the one that's like this and you zip it around like that. This is not really the vibes that people are into right now. I mean, I know that they obviously do that like every season. They do those little vanity cases that go around like that. But I feel like if they made like a really special one for this season, that would have made a lot more sense than this one. That's my thoughts. So earrings, let's see what we have. This looks like the Coco Crush, but in earrings. That's kind of cute. I mean, a little basic, but kind of cute. I like these, but I feel like these are a classic style that are like always around. I do like these though. I think very cool, very simple, but also chic. Wait, this choker is kind of cute. And I've been trying to like really get into a choker recently. I actually think this is really cute. I don't know that I love that it's pink, but I don't hate it. I kind of like it. I have to say, I mean, I know that the pre-collection is always kind of a small collection in general. So like I wasn't expecting something so like crazy, but I have to say, I didn't hate this collection. I feel like there was actually a good number of pieces that I liked. I love the Chanel 22 with like the perforated CCs. I absolutely love it. And I specifically love it in the yellow color. I think that yellow color in general is really cute. I liked that black and white flat bag. I thought that was really cute. Either variation, the one that's black with a little bit of white or the one that's white with a little bit of black. I don't like the square one as much as I like the regular, more elongated one though. I also really, really liked the little bag that had the pearl kind of top handle situation that has a little turn lock. The one that's like an evening bag. I do really like that one a lot. I think that one is so beautiful. So obviously there's a lot of good options here. Like if you really want to pick something up from this collection, I feel like you got a good chance of picking something nice, you know? This is a good collection, guys. I think I like this one. This is so like weird for me because I'm usually just like hating on everything, but I feel like they really got it this season. I feel like they kept it nice and small, nice and compact, but not everything, but a lot of the things that they gave us were bangers. Let me know in the comments what you guys thought. Are you picking anything up? What are your favorite picks? What are your least favorite picks? Do you agree or disagree with anything that I said? Just let me know your thoughts in the comments. But that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to hit a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post every single day over there. And that's all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Testing. I'm testing the sound.